Hello, it's Miss Pensinger. This is Scratch Tutorial 1.7. The things you'll learn in this tutorial are how to use the toolbar and how to get the link to your assignment that you can submit. So, I haven't really been following along with all of my own tutorials. I've been starting a new project every time. So here I have a random project. I don't have any scripts in it. I have a few scripts in it apparently. But not everything that you would have in yours. That's okay. Let's say I've made something awesome and I want to share it or submit it for an assignment or something like that. That's what we're going to learn how to do here. First off, I do want to talk through what you see here. This link, I'm going to click it, takes you back to the main Scratch page. And now you've got other options, but we are going to go back to my stuff and back into my project. Wait a minute, this looks different. Notice it tells me that the project is not shared. You also may see an alert that you need to confirm your email address. Click that link. You should get an email from Scratch. You'll need to click the link to confirm that you'll see in that email, and that'll confirm your email. That makes sure that you're actually you. But let's go back to the project editor, which means I click the See Inside button. Now this looks more familiar, doesn't it? I'm in the editor. I want to look at the file options. I can create a new project right here. I can save it now in case I need to walk away. This saves every so often, but still, if you've just done something cool and you want to walk away, then it's saved now. I can also save as a copy. If I've made something pretty cool and I want to change it, but keep my old thing because it's really cool, I can save as a copy. I can go back to the My Stuff section where all my other projects are. I can upload a project from my computer. I can download a project to my computer. This would be a way to save a project, send it to a friend, and have them upload it. We also might have some sample files we use sometimes that we'll upload from our computer. I could record a video of my project and export it. I can take my project back to what it was before I opened it this time if I messed up. So those are some options there. We're not really concerned with any of them right now. I can shrink the stage to give me more room to work with my code. And I could not. Turbo mode means it runs really fast. Whereas in unturbo mode, it runs slower. I can look at tips to learn how to do cool stuff, which we're learning through our tutorial class project, so you may or may not want to mess with that. If you get bored, you can. And this tells me more about Scratch. Not very helpful in my project. Back button takes me back. This button shrinks my project. Very important to know where that is. I have some options up here. I can duplicate my project. I can delete whatever I have selected. I can make a sprite bigger or smaller, and I can get help with a particular block if it's not working. Pretty helpful. Now we're going to go to the project page, and over here you want to give any instructions. What you probably want to do, click the green flag if that's your starting event, and then tell them what your project's going to do. It's going to play the piano. If there's anything you want to add about how you made the project, if you borrowed ideas from somebody else, you want to note that in the bottom. And now your project is ready to share. So you click the share button up here, and it's now shared. But wait a minute, that's not enough. I need to see that it's shared, and then I also want to share my project. I'm going to click the embed button, and I want to click the share link. This is a static link to my project. So I'm going to highlight it, copy the link using Command C or Window key C, and I'm going to take that project and paste that link wherever I need to submit the assignment. So I'm submitting it as a link so that whoever is trying to grade my assignment can just click on the link, come to my project, and see what's up. So to review, you have to make sure your project is shared, click the embed, and copy this link down here. It should look something like that. It should have the https scratch.mit.edu projects, and then it should have some numbers. That's what you're looking for. Copy that, paste that in, and that'll submit your project.